Are you wanting to boost your rating from a 3.0 or 3.5 to a 4.0 or higher? I have a free training video just for you that will teach you the 5 most common pickleball mistakes that you can repair overnight, and it will give you the tools to get to the next level in your game and help you have more fun on the court. And you can access the free training video by clicking below. Hi, I'm Scott Moore, 21-time national champion and certified pickleball instructor. In this training video, we'll take you a deep dive into advanced strategies, shot selection, footwork, paddle preparation, and so much more. I travel all over the world training pickleball players like you to reduce unforced errors, get to the next level in pickleball, and have more fun. This video covers the most common mistakes I see over and over. If you overcome these mistakes, you'll be on your way to a higher rating and playing with the advanced group in your community. Don't let unforced errors, frustrating mistakes, or being stuck at your current rating hold you back. Just click below for instant access, and I will see you inside the training video.